That is Mike with Innovative Door. I'll show you the 3/4 horsepower liftmaster blown gear. This thing's toasted. You can see the top's got a bigger one. This one's completely disintegrated. There's the new one all greased, pre-greased, ready to go, all full of nice and lube there. And this black plastic thing that covers the gear is pretty worthless, but that's what liftmaster did. I got this one already greased, the worm gear. We had to take the angle off because the chain spreader couldn't get the nuts out with that in the way. Had to drop it down because we got tight headroom here, but we're gonna get it done. Fix or repair a 3/4 horsepower from 2005 blown gear. 630-271-9343. Visit us online at www.innovativedoor.com. Like us on Facebook, and we'll like you. We will come out and fix this for you today. 630-271-9343. Thanks for watching our fix or repair blown gear on a 3/4 horsepower liftmaster opener. And as always, I encourage everybody to praise the Lord. Thank you for watching.